Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can move or rearrange apps icon on the home screen on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So if your screen looks a little bit messy and you want to tidy them up, then here's how you can move apps icon. So let's say you want to move these icons here, go. So you touch and hold onto it and continue to hold until you see all the icons on the screen start to wiggle. At this point, you can touch and hold and then drag them around the screen, as you can see right here. So you can drag and replace them in a different position. So let's say I want to put this DuckDuckGo app to the top. Touch and hold, then drag it to the first position and then let go. And that's how you can move them around the screen. If you want to move them to the next page, to the previous page, or to the next page, you just have to touch and hold and then drag it all the way to the left edge if you want to go to the previous page. If you want to go to the next page, then you drag it all the way to the right, like this. And continue to drag, and you can see now I have dragged it all the way to my shortcut. So I'm just going to drag it back. And then once you're ready, just simply let go. And that will be placed in a new screen. So that's how you can rearrange them around the screen, or you can move it to the next home screen page. So I'm going to go back here, and here I've got DuckDuckGo. So I'm going to go back in here as well. So here you can see I got two browser app at the top here. I got the Chrome browser app and the DuckDuckGo browser app. Now I can also group them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch and hold and drag it and place it on top of another app. And you can see it create a folder, and then I can name the folder. At the moment, by default, it is utilities. You can either use the recommended folder name, or you can just write your own name and then tap on done. Then just tap anywhere outside of the square here to save the changes. And when you are done, you can tap on the done button at the top to finish. And that's it. So now we have also created a new folder called browser. If you tap on that folder, you can place, you can see all the available browser apps in here. You can also place other apps in here as well if you wanted to, so that you can group similar apps in one location. Now to move them out of the folder, you just have to touch and hold, and then just simply drag them out of the folder, and then that folder will automatically get removed if there is only one app left in that folder. So if I tap on done, you will see this browser folder will automatically get removed. Or it should. Okay, so I'm wrong about that. So what you want to do is to drag it all the way out. So if so I'm just going to try to drag it out. So the folder automatically get removed if there is no apps left in that folder. So sorry about that. And that's it. And that's how you can move or rearrange apps icon on your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.